Right, let's do question 5. 5a says 10 to the power 5. What is the meaning of this? 10 to the power 5. 10 is the base, then 5 is the exponent. So it means 10 multiplies itself 4 times. Please take note. 10 multiplies itself how many times? 4 times. Not 5 times. Because we say 10 times. And then now we're multiplying 10 and then times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, but we can say 10 is used as a factor 5 times. So when it's 10 to the power 5 like this, you must have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then the answer is 100,000. And then B, we have 12 minus 3 times 6 plus 6 divided by 2. We're going to use the order of operations here, and BODMAS will assist us. So we start with division and multiplication before we add or subtract. So these two will come before these two. So we're going to have 12, and then minus, we have to multiply this. It's going to be 18, then plus, then we divide this, is 3. See that? We have started by multiplying and dividing. And then now we can add and subtract. When you're adding and subtracting, you can just move from left to right. 12 minus 18, 12 minus 18, that is negative 6. Then negative 6 plus 3, that is negative 3. Okay. Remember, when you're adding or subtracting, just move from left to right. You don't need to do addition first followed by subtraction. Just move from left to right like this. Okay. And then C, again, BODMAS will assist us here. So we're going to start with brackets. So it's going to be 100 minus 45, which is 55. Then plus 7 times 7, which is 49. And then we have 55 plus 49, which is 104. Okay, then the last one, we're going to start with the bracket. So it's going to be 7 times, but in the bracket, we have multiplication and subtraction. So we're going to start by multiplying. So it's going to be 15 minus 6, like that. And then 7 times, what is 15 minus 6? That is 9. And then 7 times 9, that is 63.